Issy is back again with a new base product. This one right here is their newest active skin stick. We also have a setting spray and setting mist. And also this one, a universal gel powder. So yun guys, today let's go through them one by one. I'm gonna show you swatches, how they apply, and syempre yung overall thoughts ko about the product. Ito yung first product na gagamitin natin. And this one is Issy's True Flex by Face Setting Mist. 699 pesos yung price nito and 100 ml siya. And this is how the product looks like. Shake muna natin siya before using. And just in case you guys don't know kung ano yung purpose nito, this one is basically a hydrating face mist. As you can see, instantly, it hydrates the skin. True to its claim, very hydrating and moisturizing siya sa skin. And packed din siya with ingredients na nakaka-boost ng hydration. And ayan, for finish, as you guys can see, very glowy, supple, and hydrated talaga. And yung mist, maganda kasi it's super fine. This one I'm super excited to share with you guys kasi ito yung stick version ng favorite nating Issy Active Skin Tint. And I'm so happy kasi for this one, they have so many shades to choose from as well. They have total of 12. 599 pesos yung price nito guys, and ito yung amount of product, 7.5 grams. And ito yung mga shades na meron ako guys, 4 out of 12. This one is Vanille, a fair light true warm. Next is Bisque, a fair light true neutral, and this is my shade. Third shade is Beach, a light medium neutral warm. Hopefully you guys can see. And finally Fawn, a light medium true neutral. Again, I'm gonna be using the shade Bisque, which is yung shade ko sa kanilang skin tint. And so that you guys can see how it looks like, half muna ng face ko yung lalagyan. Ano yan, right off the bat, di ba? Malapit sa neck ko, so perfect match talaga siya. Pwedeng finger yung ipang-blend nyo since cream siya, but personally, I love using a brush. And as you can see, right off the bat, blendable yung product. It blends like a dream. This is one of those products na perfect gamitin on tamad days. Kasi di ba, ang bilis niyang i-blend. Ano yan, sobrang seamless agad. Coverage is really nice, light to medium in my opinion, buildable to medium siya. Making it really nice for everyday, especially on no makeup days. And just look at the difference, di ba, ng with and without. Super effective niya when it comes to evening out the skin tone. For key ingredients, just in case you guys are curious, meron siyang caffeine and tocopherol. Here is the with and without. Close up, this is how the skin stick looks like on textured and acne-prone skin. Also, just an FYI, hindi ako gumamit ng primer underneath. So, yung setting mist lang talaga to hydrate my skin. Sobrang ganda ng lapat nitong skin stick sa skin. May possibility lang siyang mag-cling sa mga dry patches. So, make sure to hydrate and prep your skin prior so that sobrang even talaga and maganda yung kapit niya sa skin. Again, ayan guys, close up, HD, no filter. Dito sa area na meron akong mga dark spots na visible, ayan, i-layer natin siya. And I'm just doing tapping motion to blend the product so that hindi masyadong mag-move. Or I mean, doon lang talaga sa area siya ma-focus. And look, diba? It layers really well. By the way, for blending nga pala, so anong layer what I do is, ayan, ini-spread ko lang siya in circular motion just to make sure na ma-cover everything. And just look at that, diba? After a few seconds of blending lang, okay na. Such a nice base. This is the before and after. Great for beginners, especially for students. For those of you na naghahanap ng very quick and easy base product to apply, kung wala kayong time, something like this, perfect siya. Finish, as you guys can see, is very natural looking. So nice, kasi hindi siya cakey, even close up. Tsaka in person, super ganda. Again, hindi oily yung formula nito, which I love kasi I have oily skin, so perfect match for my skin type. And also, mapa-brush mo or fingers, okay siyang i-blend. Maganda yung finish. Base makeup is done. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung close-up. Ito yung next product that we have, and this one is Issy's True Flex Setting Spray. Price of this one is also $699 for 100 ml. This one is an alcohol-free makeup setting spray, and basically yung purpose niya is for the makeup longevity and para hindi mag-move yung makeup. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa skin yung key ingredients. Ayan, wait lang natin siya mag-dry. This is my face without setting spray. And this is my face with setting spray. Ito ding True Flex Setting Spray, pinong-pino yung mist niya, kaya maganda yung distribution ng product sa face. And para malaman nyo talagang effective yung product, I have here some eyeshadows. Kuha tayo ng isang shade and mag-smudge test tayo. I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow at the back of my hand. Ayan siya guys. I'm gonna be applying this setting spray on top of my eyeshadow so that you guys can see na talagang may power siya na hindi mag-move yung makeup. This is the eyeshadow after applying the setting spray. And patuyuin lang natin. No cuts and edit. Ayan. So you can see, hindi nagsusmudge. Medyo nabawasan lang sa center kasi doon packed yung eyeshadows. But sa gilid, as you can see, ayan o. Boogsh. Diba? Effective talaga siya guys. So if you want your makeup na hindi mag-move or mag-slide, Issy's setting spray, great choice. Not sure kung na-mention ko na guys ha, but this one is alcohol-free. So once you apply this or spray this onto your face, hindi siya nagsisting. At yung final product natin, Issy's True Flex Gel Powder. Isa lang yung shade na available dito, which is universal, and this one is 499 pesos and 8.5 grams yung amount of product. Two ways nyo siyang pwedeng gamitin. First, as a texture smoothing primer, and second, my favorite, as a mattifier. Gel powder yung tawag nila dito, but once you touch it, it's just basically a silicone type of product. And nakalagay din naman sa ingredients, guys, na meron siyang dimethicone, which is yung main ingredient sa mga silicone primer. Again, nagamit ko na to, guys, and eto yung clip ng first time ko siyang gamitin. First time kong gagamit na ganitong product, so let's see how it works. May kasama siyang puff, guys, kapag bumili kayo. Doesn't have any scent, and yung texture niya, very silicone-y. Ayan, hopefully you guys can see. This one, wala pang product, and once you press it, wow. Look at the difference. Honestly, at first, akala ko sobrang gimmicky lang niya. Parang, you know, kemi-kemi lang. But, girl, it works. Dito rin sa inner part ng aking under eye, it's effective. Tip ng nose. Ayan. Once you press the product, boom. Instant mattified. This side, press. Ayan. Wala na yung shine. Ayan, kahit i-move ko yung face ko, wala nang shine na nakikita. Again, like I've said at first, akala ko gimmick product lang siya, but it really is effective. Talaga nakakatulong siya to mattify the skin. And yung maganda dito sa product na to is that since nga transparent siya, wala siyang base or kahit anong color. Once you apply this on your face, wala siyang flashback or white cast. So if you're gonna go out at night for clubbing, magbabar kayo, okay na okay gamitin to. You can also use this as many times as you want since hindi nga siya traditional powder. So kahit magpatong-patong man siya sa face, hindi siya magiging cakey. Siguro for me, yung hindi ko lang masyadong gusto dito sa product is yung packaging kasi meron siya kasamang puff but walang lalagyan. But that's just me though. I think pwede naman siya sa ibabaw. Ganyan. Nasasara naman siya, but for me kasi mas prefer ko yung nakahiwalay. And hopefully soon, magbenta sila ng extra puff. But of course, may mga unbranded naman na ganito, which I highly recommend you getting. Kasi, di ba kapag kadumumi, mas hygienic if papalit-palit. But of course, pwede nyo namang labhan to. But just in case na you know, lalabhan nyo siya, mas maganda yung may extra kayo. Hi guys! This is how my makeup looks like after, I think, 5-ish hours. Nakapag-film na ako ng videos, nakapag-dinner, naglinis ako ng kwarto, nagligpit ako ng kalat, and yung bathroom, nilinis ko rin. And this is how my base looks like close up. No filter, of course, and HD. And yung nag-oil up sa akin is just the typical na nag-oil up ever since. Forehead, yung tip ng nose, and also yung cheek area ko, ayan. But as you can see on this side, ayan, hindi nag-move yung base ko at all. Dito lang sa smile line, kasi ano ko sweet girl, lagi ako nakasmile gano'n. Charot. So I don't really mind, but this side, I'm really surprised kasi hindi nag-fade. Usually, kapag naglalagay ako dito ng foundation, nagpipicture yung dark spots. I mean, may slight nakita, but not as much as, you know, sa iba. And sobrang decent pa din tignan ng base ko. Hindi siya mukhang super naglalangis, naglalapot. Hindi siya dugyot tignan. Also, forgot to mention, hindi nga pala ako nag-primer underneath. To hydrate my skin, ito lang yung ginamit ko, yung By Face. Stick foundation for my base. Konting cream bronzer sa forehead. Cream blush naglagay din ako. Very, very little concealer just to brighten this area. To set everything, ginamit ko tong True Flex Perfecting Powder. Finally, to set everything, this is what I used. Yung True Flex All Day Setting Spray. I'm impressed. I mean, nakita nyo naman sa close-up, diba? Ang ganda pa rin yung tingnan. Even though shiny na siya, still looks decent in my opinion. Konting blotting lang, konting powder, and mawawala na yung shine. Overall, super happy with this collection. Maganda yung mga product from this collection and lahat sila perfect for everyday. Lahat ng product na meron sa harap ko, I really had fun using. But for me, dalawa yung maire-recommend ko. First is itong Issy Skin Stick. Super duper nice ng finish sa skin. Very easy to use. It's just so good. I love it. And second is itong True Flex Gel Powder. I know na magagamit ko ng madalas because it doesn't add any color. It doesn't change your makeup. This just basically straight up mattifies your skin para fresh ulit yung makeup. All of these products, I believe, are now available. So if you wanna get your hands on any of the products na sinubukan natin today, ililink ko na lang sa description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!